In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the typography small in Canva. When you type something like fourth or fifth in Canva, the letters at the end often shrink and sit a little higher than the number. That small raised text is called a superscript, and it's the standard way to write ordinal numbers cleanly. Most of the time, Canva detects this automatically and formats the typography for you. But if it doesn't, you can quickly apply the correct styling yourself with a couple of clicks. Start by opening your Canva project and typing your text, for example, fourth or fifth in a text box. Take a look at the result. If the letters already appear smaller and slightly above the baseline, you're all set and can continue designing. If they remain full size and on the same line as the number, we'll fix that manually. With your text in place, select only the letters you want to shrink, typically just the th. Make sure you do not include the number in your selection, so the number stays full size and aligned normally. Once the AF is highlighted, look to the toolbar at the top of Canva. Click Advanced Settings, then choose More Settings to open the deeper text controls. Inside that panel, find the Formatting section. There, click Superscript. As soon as you do, you'll see the selected th become smaller and move slightly upward, matching the familiar typographic style used in dates, rankings, and measurements. If you don't immediately see Advanced Settings, it's usually grouped in the top toolbar where text options live. Opening More Settings brings up all the formatting tools in one place, and Superscript is the one you want for this precise effect. If you accidentally apply Superscript to the whole word or the number as well, simply undo and reapply it to just the th. You can always toggle Superscript off by selecting the letters again and clicking the same option. This approach keeps your text professional and consistent, especially on headings, captions, and designs where clean typography matters. Remember, the key steps are to type your number and highlight only the letters, open Advanced Settings, go to More Settings, and turn on Superscript under Formatting. With that, your th will look just right every time. That's all you need to make the th small in Canva. Try it on any ordinal, like first, second, or third, and keep your designs looking polished and easy to read.